West Bengal is once again at the center of a high-stake political and legal storm. A routine electoral roll revision has collided with the unresolved promise of the Citizenship Amendment Act, raising one critical question. Can you lose your vote before you are granted the citizenship? The Election Commission of India is under pressure after a public interest plea before the Supreme Court warned that thousands of CAA eligible migrants could be swept out of the voters list during the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls. These are religiously persecuted migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, people Parliament already recognized under the CAA as eligible for fast-tracked citizenship. But here's the problem. Their citizenship certificate haven't arrived. The SIR process has started and their voter status is now in doubt. West Bengal hosts one of the largest clusters of Hindu Bengali migrants from erstwhile East Pakistan. Many have lived here for decades. Their names appear in the 2025 voter rolls. But under the SIR, they must again verify their details. The plea filed by NGO Atmadeep lays out the migrants' fears clearly. SIR officers are not accepting acknowledgement receipts issued to applicants under Section 5B and 6B of the Citizenship Act. Many applicants have been waiting for naturalization for months due to administrative delays. Thousands are still waiting to even apply through the new online system created under the Citizenship Act Rules 2024. The petition warns this creates a serious constitutional crisis during recognized persecuted minorities into people at risk of statelessness, exclusion and disenfranchisement. Their plea before the Supreme Court is simple. Don't delete us before recognizing us. The Election Commission has strongly countered the perception that citizenship drives deletion. According to officials, SIR is a routine, legally mandated revision. No name can be removed without verification, notice, and an objection window. The CAA has not changed voter eligibility laws under the Representation of the People Act. Citizenship determination is the Union government's responsibility, not the Election Commission of India. Taking note of the potential fallout, the Supreme Court has issued notices to the Centre, the Election Commission of India and the West Bengal government. The court wants answer to two fundamental questions. Can migrants waiting for CAA citizenship be treated as doubtful voters in SIR? Does deleting them violate their constitutional right to participate in democracy? The judiciary may ultimately force the government and the Election Commission of India to create a uniform protocol, either safeguarding these applicants during SIR or extending deadlines specifically for them. The next few weeks are critical. For the migrants, the fear is immediate. If their names disappear now, they may not vote in the 2026 Assembly elections. And even if they receive citizenship later, for the Election Commission, it's a tightrope walk between legal procedure and public perception. For the Supreme Court, this case could set a precedent on how India handles citizenship-like vulnerabilities inside electoral process. And for the West Bengal, the political temperature around identity and voting rights is set to rise once again.